And there she is. Gotta do something about that cricket mud guard. What is up, guys? I'm back. Woo. Doing a little windy ride, actually. I'm going to cut the motor on. I'm probably gonna get home soon. Ow, got hit by a tree. It's a bit windy and my bike got blown over. Trying to do one more light order. Go from there. I want to actually ride around for a little bit on the motor, because I rarely use the motor in the daytime. Wait on that shit, sorry. Over here. At first, if you control it right, you can actually make the motor last for the longest out here. Oh my gosh, I freaking dropped my fucking bike, man. Oh no, all I know is it was windy. I was dropping off the order at the door and I look around and my bike's blown over. I meant to run and grab it, but I know I wouldn't grab it in time, so I just let it lean over and fall. Luckily nothing was damaged. The only thing that's fucked up is the grip. It's the only thing that's fucked up. I'm trying to see if we can get around this way. Fudge. Yeah, I'm so aggravated. I was not expecting that shit to happen right there. Okay, I think, can we get in through here? No, we can't. Wow. What the fuck they chain that for, dude? I swear, I feel like that would make it a lot easier for motherfuckers to get through. Probably should consider opening that shit back up. Cat food on the ground. Your typical day. Okay. I don't know, guys, but since I dropped it, bitch, it been ride a lot fucking smoother. This shit smooth as fuck, man. Detour. Okay, so we can't go that way. That's a detour. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with that. This one over here. Oh, it's just so run down, man. I'm so aggravated. Ugh. I don't know if I want to keep this out today because I really don't want to drop it any more than what the hell has already been dropped. Ugh, fuck. Worst day ever, man. I was not expecting that shit to happen. I really was not. Oh shit, I fucking fell. Fuck. Damn. And on top of that, I'm flipping hungry too. Fuck. These are my favorite freaking grips, man, and I freaking dropped them. Like, the bike fell like directly on the grip. So when it fell, I guess the grip caught it, but it snipped it backwards. So the bike ends up just fucking leaning on it. So I'm leaning up against the tree because obviously these shitty fucking kickstands aren't strong enough to hold it. Oh gosh, hang on guys. That is the worst fall ever for this bike. I mean, it wasn't a bad fall. But I'm leaning up against the tree, how the dirt bikers gotta do it. Be right back. Redo all this. Something fell on me. Sorry girl. I got my little new sticker. She came in, Rebellious Alice. I didn't think it was gonna come in the mail. I thought it was a scam, but I was like, hey, why not? Why not see? Alright, let's go. Let's get on the road. We are good to go now, actually. Hell yeah. Took it on Uber. Well, there's a surge. So we're gonna go around this way, I guess. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for lunch. Probably gonna go to the park, get a Philly cheesesteak sub. Tell us the Firehouse subs are out. Ooh, it's so windy. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it to Firehouse subs at this rate. We have to take a lot of back roads. This heavy when I'm on it. I do want some Philly cheesesteak subs, so that'll probably be my vlog for the day. The hunt to get to Firehouse subs without swallowing a fucking bug today. Heavy as fuck. It's heavy though. It's really heavy. The motor, the front, once you lean on it, you're good to go. I'm gonna lean on that front motor. I'm trying to stay near the buildings. This is sketchy. Like, I don't want to go above like 20 miles an hour. I really don't want to go above like 20. So I'm like trying to like lean all my fucking weight on this thing. Oh yeah, that's right, I can't go that way. I didn't think about it. Hold on, let's go this way. I'm trying to go in the direction of the wind because I gotta go into the tunnel again. Yay, the tunnel! Yay! Oh my gosh. I might have to air. You're usually good to go. I'm about to get home though. I'll probably order something. Sketchy as fuck. Sadly, it's still early, but I could probably go home and play some damn Battlefield. Dude, I'm like so fucking scared to see this thing. Whoa. Still maintaining though. Yeah, I think if we get out the speed up. Charge. I'm gonna go charge and then I'm gonna come back out a little bit later if I feel like this is done being retarded. Technically Firehouse Subs is going in that direction, but it's just the fact of getting past all these fucking cars and shit to get to Firehouse Subs. Man, is the wind gonna be trying to kill me on the way back also. If we play our cars right, we might survive enough to make it home and not get blown to shreds. That's too open. So I learned something. You want to stay away from like the open area. Oh, that's right, I could go this way. Let's go this way. I mean, I saw a scooter out here earlier. Bunch of kids on those little scooters. Not only that, I saw like a regular scooter too. He was just out here riding around. I was like, eh. Yeah, Harley Davidson's on the road. See, everybody's heading in this direction. But then when we all gotta go back home in that direction, what the fuck? And then that's even if they're, even if they stay in this direction, like they can just be like, yeah, well, fuck yeah, I got a tailwind, man. They're about like, let's fucking get it, bro. Hold on, guys, I'm really gonna have to stop up here when I get like near. So I thought it was dog shit, but when I get up here near something, I'm gonna hop off. I really just need to go straight. Let me hop down. But I'm gonna pull up over here. I was really not trying to drop this thing. I really, ooh, they're barbecuing. Dude, that's making me hungry. I'm gonna have to go get lunch. They do that to shit to me. I gotta go get lunch. Oh shit. Dude, I'm really trying not to get blown off this bitch, man. Shit, get up there. I'm trying to keep it under 20. We're gonna go above 20. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. 16 miles an hour. It's 30. But I ain't going 30 because I don't know which way this wind is going. This is like such a confusing fucking blog. I'm trying so hard not to go too fast. I don't want to go around the corner and the wind's like whoosh and it blows my ass right over. I'm really trying not to get blown over. Hold on. Gonna amp up the pedal assist real quick. Hold on. Got a car back. I don't know how much I like this road too much. Driving like puny bikers. To these puny bikers. Yes, this bike was 15 miles an hour. Those days I come by, I don't even be on 15, I'll be like 30. I keep it at like, I think I did this loop at like 25, but not when it was like this though. Not when it was like this. Oh, look at that, see what I'm saying? Oh, I would have came around that the wrong way. Probably would have got my black ass blown over. Okay, I'm gonna pull up. Damn, I was supposed to check my panner bag, make sure everything was okay, actually. We got it in gear 1, right? Oh, good, we're good, actually. And we got a bus up here, that's about it. I don't really gotta go that far up, though. Oh, that's a dog. That or a fox. What the hell? This shit's so windy. Here's the text. I'm just gonna pull up over here. Really, I can't go too fast. I really don't want to go too fast. I really don't. Just one wrong fuck up and you get blown over like a sheet of paper. No, I already don't weigh that much, and I'm really trying not to die, my guys and gals. But we're riding though. You guys a motor blog. I know I said earlier in the clips it wouldn't be a motor vlog, but we're gonna go ahead and make this shit a motorized vlog. Give me a sec, guys. Woohoo! $38 is not bad for a Sunday. Alright, well this wind advisory is going on until like 5. So I'm about to go ahead and get home. It's just kind of dangerous, so you guys just chill with me while we ride home real quick. Yeah. Oof. It's pretty interesting though. I was hoping it would let up though. Fudge. It's still windy. We're going to get home. We don't know how dangerous this is going to be, and I don't want to be in it. I mean, I'm going to leave my orders on. Don't mind going through there again for some more. We're going to see how it's playing against me when I go this direction. That's usually what I'm trying to see, like, how's it all working out. Just going to pick it up a notch. Ride home. You're going to get home. It's too windy. It's too risky to be out here doing this. But I mean, I made what I had to make. You know, I made a decent amount of money. Actually, within a few hours, which I would love to stay out. Very bored, but look at this. It's too dangerous. I'm surprised they're plowing through this shit, but I feel like I'm wasting power doing this. Yeah. So do what I do. I'm gonna get the front motor to support the rear one. So I already got shit in my eyes. Too dangerous. And then I don't have on no helmets. If I was to go out, you know, I'd be screwed. Let's just get home. We'll try this again tomorrow. Pretty sure it'll be a lot better anyways. We at like 13 miles an hour. Yeah, let's go the direction that the wind's going. Okay, we're making good timing. Okay. Probably up to like 20. Yeah. Well, we're up to 15, 16. 18. Real careful around these curves. Let's regen get on there. There's a bike up there. It's like a light. I want to go a route that is not as many cars though. And I want to go a route that's not so open also. Okay, good. The wind's blowing home now. Okay, so it toned down for a few, which is not bad. Okay. We're gonna take a back road though, so I don't like taking these crowded streets on this thing. Real careful. I'm gonna try and lean our weight on the bike actually. I'm gonna try and make this intersection. It's just windy as fuck. Oh, another one, bro. Why the hell don't they go out at the same time? Sometimes I feel like they put them sirens on just to get around traffic. Then they turn them on. I do want to sub something so bad. I'll hop on the dirt today. I feel like the dirt will be enough to actually keep my tires embedded in the ground. So I'm gonna go to the dirt. Oh yeah, I got my Rebellious Alice sticker. Story about that, I was actually kind of... I didn't think if it would come in or not, but it ended up coming in. Too late. You thought. Look at that. Speed. I am speed. I am Lightning McQueen. Get over this way. That's why you want to be careful. This is the part I'm worried about if somebody wouldn't get home. See, going around a corner like this, leaning in. Yeah, gonna get home. My first time taking this against a windy commute. Something told me I should have probably brought like more heavy weighted stuff. Don't want to get off these open roads, so I don't like the open roads right now. Yeah, these aren't our best friends, so we're gonna go ahead and get on the back street. Not our best friends. Yeah, get on the back street. Okay, so that we know we can just move over. Ooh, shit, oh yeah, good thing I did do this. I get y'all last minute orders in. What Terry's gonna do? Look at all that dirt. Playing under that bridge, yeah. Oh yeah. You shit. Let's go and play some GTA or some shit. Hold this thing up. Thinking about hopping on some Planet Side 2 or some Battlefield 4. Well, let's close the pouch up. I let the pouch open by mistake. I did not see that till now. The ecotric with 2 motors can handle. Might go into third on the rear motor so we can get up to. I do need a drink or something, so I'm gonna pop over here so we don't get blown over. Psych, we're going straight home. I ain't fucked with that one. By the time I came out this store, be a tornado out here. Or it's being my damn apartment. I get it delivered. I wanted to go to 7-Eleven. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I like that hoodie. Those joggers. Those are joggers. There you're recording. I know. Oh, hello there. Sorry about that. Hop off of that thingy. That's crowded. Yeah, how windy that is. Holy crap, we're going against it though. 15 miles an hour, guys. This does not show an accurate reading. I think when it gets above like 26, I don't know what it is with the display, but it won't read above that. So I Drop it up to 35 on the new, on just the front motor and pedal assist 3 or 4. And usually I just like it at 25. We gotta get home. Hopefully less so tonight though. I'll come back out probably. I want to get these clips uploaded, get home safely. Holy shit, bro, we're going. That's a lot of power, man. If you're out riding in Jacksonville right now, in Jacksonville, Florida, just be careful, man. Be really careful. It's very fucking windy, which is dangerous. Tomorrow is MLK Day. Got a car back. Let's slow up here. Fucking bike, man. Well, I mean motor. Okay, see, it's pushing us somewhat. Like it doesn't want to push us though. Good, looking good so far. Okay, what is this up here? Okay, we got the right of way. Good, 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 good. Okay, guys. The ecotric is a powerful bike. I give her that. Couch. I like it. Let's hope it doesn't have bed bugs. But I was hoping to stop and get a damn drink though. But I mean, like, fuck. It's like if I go towards Circle K, I'll pass all these damn corner stores. Should have grabbed a drink while I was at one of them. I wasn't thinking right. Careful. Brake. Brake. Always brake right here. You never know what's coming. I'm gonna go with the light up here though. Oh, it's JSO. Cop. Dude, he kept going. Here's she. I'm only going like 15, 18, 15. Woo! Gotta go home and look over everything. I'm gonna leave that dirt on the tires. If I come back out later, I'll come back out tomorrow. Well, I have a little bit of dirt on them. It doesn't get on my floor. I'm like, Terry, it's dirt on your floor. Yes, I understand that, sir. I can understand that perfectly well why you would be mad at me. But you must understand also that it is very fucking windy and I'm about to go home early. Praying to God this shit goes away later. I mean, but it's gonna be a lot colder later though. Or we just want to get a monster Red Bull. Damn, I really feel like waiting on this shit, so we're gonna go ahead and go. I ain't waiting on that shit. Fuck y'all. Sorry, excuse my language. Fuck that shit, dude. I ain't waiting on that shit. I'm not waiting on that. Red Bull, bro. They're like toasted. Ah! Sorry, guys. I need a Red Bull. I need a Red Bull, man. I'm like thirsty. Now, somebody got an accident up here. Okay, let's cruise it slowly. Cause we get some orders over in here. Like, I've been like, who was that? That was me, mate. So I was just playing. Guess they're in there having their daily barbecue, Panera Bread barbecue. We're gonna go get us a Red Bull. Where's that going? let's go. Let's keep it moving. I'll get an order. That was a $3 order. They want me to go all the way up there for $3. No, they're not tipping today. I wasn't going there, but it's like it's getting worse. Let's just go. I'm like one of the few bikes that's out here right now. Ooh. I mean, I might wait out here so just that without an offer. Let's wait for a little bit. See. I'm gonna wait right here. I'm gonna see if it picks up any. If not, I'm gonna wait like right here until we get. Cause it's like giving me orders and shit. I don't mind taking an order for the right price now. I'm not gonna lie on that one. Yo, what's up? PlayStation Plus just went out. Always keep your PlayStation Plus paid, guys. Hey, gals. Woo! Is that a car? Let's go home. I'm gonna go charge. I'm still like when I come back out, like an hour.